Okay, so carburetor icing. So my setup is as follows. There's a flange here. I think it's the original factory carburetor icing heater. So this section here, underneath is the heating element that goes into the flange. And what I've done is I've put a temporary temperature pickup against the body on the outside. I know it's on the outside. I just want to measure the temperature to see and try to pick up a trend. This is now against the body, as close as to the butterflies as I can possibly get to. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to test it with the engine off, just in the hangar, to see how much heat it produces. It's got to obviously push the heat, it's got to conduct the heat across all the way through this section to start, to show a reading, I guess. And if it does go up by a couple of degrees, I would imagine this is working pretty well, where the air is coming in and heating slightly, or the carburetor body is heating as well. The ice can't stick to it. It sticks to the butterfly as well, as far as I understand. But I want to see how effective this heater is. So I will go into the cockpit now, or turn on the EFIS, and we'll take a look. So I'm going to turn on the master switch. Let it boot up quickly. We'll see what the ambient temperature is. Should be the same for the EGT cylinder head and the Carb. So I'll go across to the. So what we've got here is we've got EGT showing 8, 1 and 2. Cylinder head temperatures also 8 or 9, 7, 8, 9, somewhere around there. And this third one is the carburetor temperature pickup. So we'll see if I turn on the carb heat, or the heater, that heated flange. I want to see that the voltage drops slightly, because then it's pulling current. I haven't set up the amp meter yet. I'm sure I can do that. Okay, so it's showing now 13.4 volts, and the carburetor temperature between 9 and 10 degrees. So it's showing 9 now. I saw 10, so we'll see 10, 9. Okay, carburetor heater's coming on. Voltage dropped slightly, and then I'll give it a couple of minutes, 5 or so minutes, and we'll see. So it hasn't made a difference yet after these few seconds, but I will come back to it. I'll time it. Welcome to the UK, miserable weather. Let's see, this is about 4 or 5 minutes down, maybe a little less. Let's see if there's something happening here. I don't want to flatten the battery. Okay, so I'll just feel it first. Well, I suppose I wouldn't know, because this would be the same temperature now. It's transferring the heat across. But I'm pretty sure I'm not imagining it. If I feel here it's cold, here it's warm. So there's definitely something going on there. That's good. Alright, let's see what the temperature shows now. Gee, okay, well that's unbelievable. I was not expecting this. So the EGTs have gone up slightly, I suppose, because the cowl's off and it's heating. I would say the cylinder head temperatures are up to 12 degrees, and believe it or not, where the temperature pickup is on the other side of the carb, it's showing 18. So that's actually pretty impressive. Voltage has dropped down to 12.8. Obviously when you're flying, you're supplying voltage to the battery, and I don't know if there'd be more amps being well, I don't know. Yeah, so you would be, because there'd be more voltage, and cruising, I think you'd be on about 14 volts that the alternator produces, so you'd have a better amperage as well. I'm guessing, well, now we're showing nearly 20, 21, so this works. That's unbelievable. I wasn't expecting this. Excellent. I want to turn it off and then we'll watch the voltage go up again. So we get 12.8, carb heater coming off. 12.9 immediately, 13. Okay, so I'm actually quite upset because for some reason I thought it wasn't worthwhile, or it wouldn't be very functional, but it is. Cylinder temperatures now with it off 12, and then we on 20 for the carb. 18, 22, I don't know, jumps a bit, 21. Excellent. Now feeling the carb again with it off, it's most definitely heated up the carburetor. You can feel heat, the entire carb. Yeah, it's ice cold. It's excellent. I'm pretty chuffed about this. Carb icing is a bit of a worry, so I'll worry a little less now.